Bad breath can disappear forever with just one simple application. This old method used to eliminate bad breath was a natural remedy well known in villages. Today, many people suffer from bad smell coming from the mouth and from tonsil stones, formerly called pus grains. But our ancestors solved this problem with one simple mixture. These small white pieces in the tonsils, which smell like sewage, do not cause throat pain, but the odor is so strong that you feel like wearing a mask. Although doctors today often recommend cleaning under antibiotics, in the past, eliminating bad breath was possible with just 1 glass of natural gargle. This mixture both reduced the bad smell in the mouth and helped the plugs accumulated in the tonsils to clear over time. The recipe was extremely simple. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 3 to 5 drops of fresh lemon juice, 1 glass of warm water. These ingredients were mixed, and gargling was done regularly in the morning and evening. This mixture supported the pH balance in the mouth, reduced bacterial growth, and helped the bad smell fade naturally. Even today, it is still a simple method for those who want to eliminate bad breath. In fact, in villages, the bravest ones would draw this mixture through their nose and spit it out from the mouth to clean the nasal passages and tonsils more deeply. In short, the natural gargle used by our ancestors to eliminate bad breath combines the cleansing effect of salt, the balancing power of baking soda, and the antiseptic properties of lemon to both freshen breath and help reduce tonsil plugs. When used correctly and regularly, it is a very effective method to reduce bad odor coming from the mouth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.